Hi,
Hello.
Suma, go ahead.
Hi Niluji. Hi,
Hi.
Bhumika. How's you? All good. I'm enjoying the session. Okay. So, me and Bhumika met in an exhibition. It's right around 3 years we know each other. And I am a part of an organizers team. She was participating in our exhibition from last 15 years. And I was not aware of her stall and about her healings and about the fair, these things which she provides. And after that, one of my colleague told me, actually my father went into an coma for 3 years. So one of my colleague told me that you go to Bhumika. He already took the healings from Bhumika and all for her families and all. So I went to Bhumika for it, and I told her everything about my families, what are the financial issues which I was facing, and about my father's health also, because he got paralysis attack also. He went into an coma also. And then I met to Bhumika, and doctors were saying कि maybe he will come out from the coma or maybe he'll not. Then I started getting in touch with Bhumika. She started giving me some healings. I went for Akashic records also. And then after that, around my father started recovering after that, and now he's all right. He's fine. And he's talking to us. Earlier than that he was not able to talk to us also, but now he's talking to us also, and he's all right. And after that I went her for my other things also, like for my personal issues, for my financial issues. She has given me not the Akashic record, she has given me all the other readings as well. So I went for all the workshops as well, and I'm very happy that my father is fine right now. He can walk in front of me, he can talk to us. He's not going on job or he's not working, he's on complete bed rest, but at least we can see him that he is walking in front of us, he can talk to us. So this is the best benefit I got it from Bhumika. She's a god for me, because my father got, I can say, like, I am thanking to the god as well, because in we get connected through God only. But then too, I am very thankful to her, because I can see my father walking in front of me, is talking to us. That was because that 3 years I know how we have suffered, and we are three daughters. No younger brother, no elder brother. We are the three daughters. How we have suffered from that time, we only know that. So I'm very thankful to the Bhumika. Thank you so much, Bhumika.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
Thank you
Shoma,
very
for
much.
coming on and sharing that with us. Thank you so much.
Thanks,
It's
Nick.
I was like she was hesitating to share this, and I told her okay
I
not
can
to share. It's okay
imagine.
because it was a personal matter,
Right.
which she got emotional again.
Right. No,
But
and this,
thank you so much. It gives a very good impact in my life. Seriously, I'm very happy right now. I got married in lockdown. In June I got married.
congratulations.
You,
Congrats.
I got married, and all the healings and everything. Whenever any issues comes in my family, I directly call Bhumika. She's available for me around 12 o'clock also, because I have an anxiety problem. So basically, whenever the problems comes now, I get so panic and all, because we are suffering a lot from childhood. My father's health, my mother's health. So we are suffering a lot from childhood. So I got panic, I got anxiety. I call her on 12 o'clock in the night also. She answer my call and she says, Soma, do this mantra. She gave me some mantra and all also. So I read that mantra and I slept very nicely. So I'm very thankful to her. She is the only one after God who is taking care of me, I can say.
That is so sweet of you, Shoma, and more strength to you, girl. More power to you. Lots of love and peace and ease to you. And you have Bhumika, as you've just
Yeah,
said, and
serious.
got to come on and share such deeply personal parts of your life. So thank you for that, and loads of strength to you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you so much.